Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechnoDBA. This channel is created for DBAs to gain the knowledge and learn to perform day-to-day activities. So in today's video, we'll discuss about different ways to check the current database in PostgreSQL. Sometimes we log into database, but we don't know how to check the current database. From login details, we can check that, but still we have some different ways to check through this psql command. Okay, now we'll perform this activity from our psql command prompt. Okay, all right, I am at this command prompt now. I'll just log into database psql -d, then database name. Postgres is my database name -u, and then username. Postgres is my default username. I'll put the password. Okay, I am at now psql command prompt, you can say, and I am at this Postgres database. Okay, so I'll see what are all options to check that. First one is /c. This is something like a database Postgres and username. It will show only database and username. There is another connect info. Okay, it will show you some more details about the database. Database is Postgres, user is Postgres, and then host, and then at the end it will show port as well. So these are two ways. Okay, and there is another called select star from current underscore catalog. Okay, this current underscore catalog will also show the current database. Okay, and there is another way, select star from current underscore database. This is called this is like function, and it will also show this Postgres, the current database. And what if you want to know all the database? Okay, there is a very simple way. This /l will show the all databases with its details like owner and all those things. Okay, and what if you just want to know the database names without these details like encoding, owner, collation, C type, and privileges? That is select that name from pg underscore database. Okay, it will just list out the databases present in the instance. Okay, so these are the ways, like /c connect info, then current catalog and current database. If you are new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.